Hi folks, I'm Bug from Dizzy Lizzie's. Now, on here, there's 3 axles. One I've got to replace, or got him to replace. One that I'm going to break down to show you what's in it, and one to show you why you can't get these in parts. You have to buy the whole thing. This is £250, and it comes in one-piece kit. And there you are, that's the part number for it. Right, this brand new one here, the reason why it's got a split in the centre is so that when you come to the end of your lawn, you go to turn the mower around, these will work like the differential on a car. You know, it won't skip and it won't leave a swirl on the bottom of the lawn when you turn it around. And that's why you've got a free wheel in the centre. It's like a push bike, but I'll show you that in the centre in a minute. Right, this is a one which I replaced earlier, and you can see this doesn't easily move. Also, what can happen is you can end up with play here, here, and here. Yeah, not too much, and you can get slop from side to side. What that means is the parts in the centre are worn up, they're worn out, and you just can't get them. That's why you have to buy a complete unit. But it's also understand why you have to buy a complete unit, because so much is actually gets worn, which I'll now show you. Okay, this is one I stripped down earlier on. You've got the 2 rollers, mainly it's 2 rollers, this bar, 2 bearings and a gearbox, which doesn't come with the kit. That's extra. Now, this is a freewheeling system. It drives one way, and when you move the rollers the other way, it will free. It's like on your push bikes. But you can see what's happened here. This one is totally broken down. So you can engage the drive and it just spin round and the rollers won't go. This is one of the reasons why they replace the whole system, because this here is just one piece. You can't get the parts for it. But also they sit in here. Now you can see there's lots of mud, and what happens is they wear on these teeth, and so you end up losing drive, either because teeth won't fit in, or because they've actually been worn away. Now, this piece of rubber in the centre is supposed to try and keep the muck getting squirted out, but I'll be honest with you, quite often when I've taken them apart, there's literally like a ring of mud, like a donut. But that's basically what's inside the Hayter 56 rear axle. Hope you enjoyed it.